Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. I was sent a number of different diamond cutting products to cut hard materials such as granite, porcelain, ceramic, and stone. So let's quickly show you what we got and get right to it and cut some material. Here we go. This will be a review video on 4-inch diamond blades as well as a diamond hole saw. Let's quickly talk about each individual diamond product and we'll get right to cutting some material. Here we go. Okay, so here is the first blade. Obviously, this blade is used. Now, this is not a sponsored video. RTC, Russo Trading Company, provided some diamond blades for me to test out, and that's what we're going to do. Blade 1, obviously it is used. I wanted to use this for some time before giving my opinion on it. I've been using this blade, 4-inch diamond blade, for about 6 months now. So far, so good. It's very strong, very aggressive. It cuts very hard porcelain. The blade is called the Shield Turbo. As you can see, it has a very thick, reinforced arbor here. Very aggressive rim. And it's a very aggressive diamond blade. So we will test this blade out on stone and porcelain today. Here's the second blade. 4-inch, called the Razor. Again, this is for hard materials such as granite and porcelain. And obviously this blade is not as aggressive as the Shield Turbo. It looks like it may cut hard material a little cleaner. I'd imagine this is for straight cuts. The Shield Turbo I was using for mitering and things like that. But again, we will test this on quartz, porcelain, and ceramic. And the third blade is for cutting glass. Glass Master. Crystal clean cuts on most glass tiles. Obviously these diamonds are different than hard porcelain diamonds. You can see the rounded rim here for clean glass cutting. So we will test this out on glass today and see how well it performs. And the fourth and final product by RTC that we're going to run some tests on is the Pro Bit. This will cut holes in porcelain, granite, ceramic, glass, marble, and PVC. We will test this today on porcelain. Okay guys, here is the material that we're going to cut. Ceramic, glass, quartz, and hard porcelain. Now these are the tools we're going to use to make our cuts. 2 grinders and a drill for the hole saw. We start with ceramic, move to stone, and then porcelain. And then we'll see how clean the glass blade cuts glass. Here we go. Shield Turbo. Aggressive diamond blade on ceramic. Clean and easy cut. Now we try the Razor. Clean cut as well. Can simply hit it with a diamond pad. And there you go. We now cut thick quartz. The turbo shield cut through this with no problems. Let's try the razor. Not a bad cut with the razor, but the turbo shield, the more aggressive rim, cuts a lot faster and smoother than the razor, but again, a clean cut. Let's try some porcelain. I'm going to use a wet sponge with this so I don't burn out these blades. Not bad at all. This Shield Turbo Blade by Razor is a beast. Now I pushed it at the end a little too hard so it chipped. I could have avoided that, but that's one straight cut. All you need to do now, hit it with a diamond pad. And you are good to go. Well, not as clean as the Turbo, and the razor struggled a bit through this porcelain, and of course I chipped it here, put too much weight on it, but definitely a good diamond blade, but certainly not as aggressive and does not cut as fast as the Shield Turbo by RTC. Let's try some glass. Well, it looks like I pressed too hard on that. Let's try it again. Not a bad cut. As you can see, it chipped out some of the backing there, but that is expected. The cut itself is not bad at all. All you need to do now, hit it with the diamond pad. And you're good. Lastly, let's try the hole saw. Cuts porcelain like butter. Well, there you go. Testing RTC Russo Trading Company's diamond wheels and hole saw. I like them all. but I gotta say, I love this one, the Shield Turbo. It cuts fast and clean. Thanks for watching, guys. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.